Today we're making these delicious garlic butter lobster rolls. We'll start by boiling the lobsters in salt water for 8 to 12 minutes. Once the lobsters have cooked, transfer them to an ice bath. Then remove the meat from the shell. To make the butter sauce, add butter to a hot pan, followed by some garlic, lemon zest, lemon juice, chives, and chili flakes. Combine well together, then add the lobster and coat it in the butter sauce. In a separate bowl, combine celery, chives, Kewpie Mayonnaise, salt and pepper to taste, lemon zest, chili flakes, paprika, and lemon juice. Then add the lobster, mix well, and refrigerate until you're ready to serve. To toast the brioche buns, butter the pan, coat both sides of the bun, and toast lightly on both sides. Assemble the lobster rolls and serve with lettuce. This turns out so light, fresh, and full of flavor. Enjoy!